floor, guys, for just how we get better, okay? So you can see here we've got structural, curb mount, glass, CAD, and then there's install here, okay? So these codes here for structural, we pulled off of the field assessments that you guys did in 2021, okay? So these were all issues. So you can see I've got codes here 1 through 20, and there we may add more as we go. Hopefully we don't, right? We don't want more problems, but or I should say opportunities. So you can see here the code numbers are across the bottom. So 16 we had center line on rafters, not same as drawing, okay? And I've got the job project documented as well. So if we need to do a deeper dive, I can see what projects I have all the information, okay? So one thing, guys, so the effort and energy that you guys are putting into filling out those assessments is just not, hey, we look at it and throw it away, okay? So it's being tracked. 18 here, rafters did not have enough clips, right? Ring a bell, okay? And then 19, so this is for us in the shop. On occasion after release, we think, hey, everything's final, and then they add flashing or they add something additional, right? So I'm not so sure that that's a bad thing, but I'm tracking it, okay? So we had 3 occurrences there. 20, for some reason I don't have a code, so I've got to look at that, okay? So your field assessments, guys, are gonna be very important, okay? I know it's frustrating when you get out in the field and something is incorrect, not right, okay? It slows you down, you're not as efficient, and it just starts the whole project off bad, right? So we are doing something about it, okay? Every Wednesday we're reviewing this board as a production team, and you guys will start seeing line charts. So as soon as we identify our top 3 areas of concern, you'll see line charts. We'll implement a fix. If you get a spike, right, you got a problem. If you implement a solution, what should happen?
Should go away.
Yeah, you should flatline, okay? And in the world of continuous improvement, what happens is you fix one problem, it goes away, then what do?
Another problem comes up.
You move on to the next. And hopefully, as you track forward, guys, we're attacking every little issue and we become more successful. Companies get more money to the bottom line, that equals better increases, so on and so forth, okay? So across the board, we're doing all of that, okay? So I know Jose, Queen of Peace, you're in here getting hardware, stuff like that. That's all gonna be tracked, okay? And then at the end of the day, my leaders, John and Cody, are ultimately, along with me, responsible for getting that right, okay? So you guys shouldn't be in here digging through hardware.
So I'm doing a Galleria huge job, and I have 1 box of silicone out there. So I grabbed the box yesterday. I just don't know if you guys packed somewhere that we missed it, or
Okay.
because that job is going to take lots and lots of silicone, and if we didn't count for it, then
Okay. So one of the things too is understanding like how much silicone for each project. You know, I'm sure if somebody had the time, it would be a science, right? We need to try to get close to that, right?
Yeah,
and in the future, what it is, guys, is I want it to be a turnkey system, right? So you guys come in, you just get your pellet and you run, okay? And not be screwing around, silicone, hardware, all of that stuff, okay? So the one thing that's huge with me, guys, is not only are we tracking, because we got to get better as a company. I enjoy working here. I enjoy working with each one of you guys. We got to get on the right track, okay? So something is going to be done about it. And also in the mornings, guys, or when you see me, if you have any concerns whatsoever, let me know, okay?
well,
Don't.
that's my concern for today. I'm going to be digging through silicone today.
Okay. So okay. So
I can let you know over here or whatever.
okay, so I'll get with John right after this, Lorenzo, and we'll get you squared away, okay?